Australia is a constitutional parliamentary monarchy located in the north-central southern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. With a total area of 7.7 million square kilometers, Australia is the largest country in Oceania and the sixth largest in the world. Its history as a colony has made Australia a country with a mix of native, Aboriginal, ethnic, and immigrant populations. Its political, economic, cultural, and educational structure incorporates elements derived from the British political system. English is the main language. The Australian political system is a constitutional monarchy parliamentary system of federalism, with the head of a state being the Australian monarch, who is represented by the Governor-General, the Senate, and the House of Representatives. Australian elections are compulsory, and Australian citizens who have the right to vote must do so. Individual liberty is a fundamental value of Australian liberalism, including both freedom of speech. The Broadcasting Services Act 1992, administered by the Australian Communications and Media Authority (ACMA), established control over media ownership in Australia. Even with the law, media ownership in Australia is more concentrated than in other Western countries. Since 2018, print media consumption in Australia has mirrored the global decline, with lower consumption of newspapers and more Australians choosing to access content online. Meanwhile, the music industry has seen year-over-year revenue growth, and the most popular YouTube is widely used to listen to or watch music videos. Australia has one of the fastest average mobile internet speeds in the developed world, with email, web browsing, banking, and shopping being the most popular online activities among Australian internet users. Australian media involvement in politics has also been largely through the involvement of political parties. Different political parties use a variety of strategies to engage their audiences, with extensive use of online advertising as well as social networking service pages to highlight party message and values, and internet or media platforms to provide Australians with information related to their campaigns. In addition, the online news Australian Broadcasting Corporation (ABC) is government-funded and provides free news and lifestyle information to Australia and the world. It mainly covers breaking news related to COVID-19, the campaign, and the Israeli-Palestinian conflict so that people can keep up to date with events around the world. Australia is one of the 17 countries with the highest level of acceptance of homosexuality and LGBTI legal protections. Since the 1970s, LGBTI people and communities have been progressively recognized and empowered by Australian law, with states and territories gradually repealing British-era anti-gay laws. Meanwhile, Australia's same-sex marriage law came into force in Australia on December 9, 2017, with its provision for same-sex couples to be legally recognized as legally married in Australia in a legal sense. In today's internet age news environment, more politicians are using Facebook and Twitter to communicate extensively and directly with the public. According to the Australia 2020 Global Press Freedom Report, Australia ranked only 18 in the Global Press Freedom Index, significantly behind many other liberal democracies. For example, during the November 2020 terrorist attacks in Vienna, the media report photos of people shot and condemned by the relevant authorities, as well as photos of calls for government reform of media support and subsidies. This is also a sign of a declining press freedom index.